Hello my dear students, welcome to JetKids virtual classes. Today we will be discussing on transitive and intransitive verbs. So let's begin our today's class. First, let me explain what is transitive verb. Transitive verb means a verb which takes an object to complete its meaning is called transitive verb. A verb which needs an object to complete its action is known as transitive verb. Take a look at the board. I have written here three examples of transitive verb. The first one is they bought some vegetables. Second one, Sindhu won a silver medal. Third one, the police caught the thief. Here in these three sentences, the transitive verbs are bought, won and caught. Bought, won and caught are transitive verbs. Why? Because of they take the objects, vegetables, medal and thief to complete their meaning, to complete its action. Clear? For example, assume that if you don't write, for example, vegetables, medal, thief. Now, are these sentences give complete sense, complete meaning? They bought some. Sindhu won a silver. The police caught the. Are they giving complete sense, complete meaning? Not. So, what is transitive verbs? A verb which takes an object to complete its meaning, to complete its action is known as transitive verb. Do you understand? Now, let me explain what is intransitive verbs. Now let me give the definition of intransitive verb. Intransitive verb means a verb which doesn't take an object to complete its meaning is called intransitive verb. A verb which doesn't need an object to complete its action is known as intransitive verb. Do you understand? Take a look at the board. I have written here three examples of intransitive verbs. The first one is the race began. Second one, the birds are chirping. Third one, the child is sleeping. Here in these three sentences, the intransitive verbs are began, are chirping, is sleeping. These three are intransitive verbs. Why they are intransitive verbs? because of they don't take any object to complete their meaning, their action. Without taking object, they themselves give complete sense, complete meaning. That's why they are intransitive verbs. The race began. The race is noun. Began is verb. Is there any object here? No, here there is no object. Second one, the birds is a noun. Are chirping, verb. Is there any object? Here there is no object. Without taking object as well, they give complete sense, complete meaning. So what is intransitive verb? A verb which doesn't need an object to complete its meaning, its action, is known as, is called intransitive verbs. Hope today's short video lecture on transitive and intransitive verbs you have understood very well. There is an exercise. You must complete that exercise in your grammar textbook. Page number 35 for 7th standard and page number 67 for 6th standard. You should complete that exercises. That's all for today.